Yung listahan po ng mga content creator na nasuspend you or na terminate yung contract.
Hindi po yata naglalabas ng ganyan. So ang
Ay, hindi
ilalabas
po.
po ni YouTube po yung transparency report po na
Hindi po, sabi mo kasi kanina, when I asked you, you said that may policy kayo to suspend, di ba? Or to terminate. Now, tinanong kita, sabi mo may nasuspend na kami na terminate. Can you give us the list of all those content creator? Kasi po, in relation to the question being asked by Congressman Raul, for example, yung Celis, di ba nawalang isiminay? Ngayon may sariling account siya, nandun sa YouTube. Yung specific example, yung pag i-check mo, ang daming mga ano doon, mga statements coming from mismo kay Celes na derogatory. At tuloy-tuloy yun. Wala may isa mang na-take down doon. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, we have received a copy of several letters coming from resource persons that was issued the show cause order during the February 4 hearing, Mr. Chairman. Now, most of these excuse letters citing almost the same, except for a few, almost the same reason why they should not be present in today's hearing. Now, let me take, for example, letter coming from a certain Richard Mata. He stated about questions of his base in Davao, and he has also filed a petition for certiorari in the Supreme Court. And he mentioned about lack of willful disobedience, etc., etc. Now, it is, Mr. Chairman, the same is in the case of other invited resource persons issued the show cause order. They have filed a petition for certiorari in the Supreme Court, and they are not once again present in today's hearing. Well, in fact, some of them mentioned about that they should not be cited in contempt. And just for the record, I would just like to correct all those resource persons that replied with regards to the show cause order by this honorable committee. We never cited them in contempt. We followed due process in this committee. Well, in fact, a lot of hearings in my own committee and even in the Quadcom, we follow and we do due diligence with regards to motion to cite in contempt a certain particular resource person. Now, Mr. Chairman, with all those reply coming from those resource persons mentioned, issued with the show cause order, Mr. Chairman, may I respectfully move that we issue a subpoena ad testificandum for all those mentioned names that has officially received a copy of such show cause order. So move, Mr. Chairman.
There's a motion to issue subpoena to all those mentioned by the Honorable Paduano for not attending and answering the show cause order issued by the three committees. Duly seconded. Do I hear any objection from the members? Hearing none, the motion is carried.
Same is true with Ms. Badoy and Mr. Eric Celes, Mr. Chairman. They have not replied to the show cause order issued to them. So, I respectfully move once again, Mr. Chairman, to issue a subpoena ad testificandum to the mentioned name, Mr. Chairman. So move.